massive affection for this car. I was at the original launch, which was with a very small number of people, and in fact the last time that I saw both Sir David Brown and Walter Hayes together. And this car was a complete revelation, and Walter was so proud of the car at that point in time because he had really put his heart and soul into it. And of course the other thing that most people don't know is that actually Sir Jackie Stewart was heavily involved with the ride and handling of this car, and it really shows when you get behind the wheel. Just getting behind the wheel of a V550 Vantage is the most amazing experience. The car is clothed in acres of Connolly hide, and you feel very, very special. It's an amazing place to be, and when you drive the car, you know you're driving an exceptional vehicle. The power, the torque, the way the car interacts with the driver cannot be surpassed. It is without doubt one of my favourite Aston Martins of all time. It's interesting now that we look back on these cars, because in this day and age, when we talk about limited editions, we talk about many hundreds, if not thousands of cars as a limited edition. Of course, we built less than 300 of these Vantages. I mean, there could be no more limited edition car than the V8 Vantage. When you think it was built from 1993 through to 2001, and they're spread all over the world, left-hand drive and right-hand drive cars, they are a truly collector's item. And this particular model, finished in quintessentially British racing green with tan interior, absolutely encapsulates what a British sports GT car should be. It looks handsome, it looks aggressive, but above all, it's stylish. This was the last of the truly hand-built, bespoke cars from Newport Pagnell that were handcrafted by artisans here over old-style bucks. We used the English wheel to create those wonderful curves on the body. And the body is made of aluminium. Every single panel on that car is hand-shaped aluminium. Amazingly, this Vantage 550 retains its original specification, even down to the sports exhaust. It is probably one of the purest examples that's available on the market today. If you're looking for a Vantage 550 to add to your collection, then why not have the best of the best, the early car, the purest car?